Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at the new Novostella Smart LED Floodlights. This is a 2-pack, it is RGB and it also has a secondary cool and warm white. On the back it is compatible with these apps, so you can use it on your Amazon or Google Assistant, and it's available on both platforms. This is a 20 watt IP66 rating, Wi-Fi. And then right here on the right side, as you can see, we just have some specs. So we have the model number NTF36 2-pack 20 watt RGBCW, which is basically cold and warm white. And then you have 100 to 240 volts, IP66, 50 to 60 hertz frequency response, life expandity of 50,000 hours, which should last about 5 years as well. And the energy cost per year is about $2.41. 3 hours a day at 11 cents a day. Pretty good. Once again, these are on Amazon. I'll throw a link in the description. Let's get into it. Photography or something for like background color changing drop lights. I use it for outdoor as well, like I said. We're going to put this to the side for a second. In this little bag, we just have some, technically some accessories. Alright, so we have the antennas here. This is Wi-Fi, so you could be able to use it in the app and stuff like that. And then, so we have 2 kickstands. We have a warranty. Yeah, 6 months of warranty. And then you have a customer support. And then right here you have the user manual. So very clear instructions on how to set this up. The home app, you can set it up with the YouTube video if you need to. I'll show you in this video. All in one. Basically connect it from the Smart Life first, and then you connect it to one of these assistants. Here's the devices. So it's separated with a foam pad. Really high quality. Okay, yeah, these are really high quality. But if you were to buy something from like Home Depot or something, this is what you would get. It's super high quality. So if you want to like carry them or mount them, you can carry it like that, or mount it right here. So you have like technically a Visa bracket, but it's not really a Visa. I don't know the technical name, but you just have screw mounts here. Right here on the top is where the little mount this little antenna, and there you go. So you have a ton of lighting in here. You have the cool white and warm light, and then the individual ones in the middle are the RGB and W chips. We're gonna go ahead and boot it up, and then we're gonna go ahead and show you. This is what it's looking like. It's extremely bright. You can't really tell in that area, but it's really bright. It reaches really far. And as you can see, this is the previous setup. Adding light. It's a nice cool white, and it's super bright too. I use this for video, but it's super hot with all this lighting. I don't even know. I can't even talk properly. I'm gonna show you how to set this up. This is super bright. It's blinding. You can use it obviously for photography if you want to. I might actually, so I'm not gonna laugh about that. So if you want to download that, you can do that. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to set it up. Here, Smart Life. All right, something that they didn't add is a switch, which I recommend adding that next time. But you have to turn it on and off. Use a smart plug. I found that as the easiest way, and just turn it on and off until it starts flashing, and then you can get the starting process of setting it up. So it's really easy how to set it up. Press the plus on the top right, and then go down to lighting, and you can go ahead and do light source Wi-Fi. Now this does only work with the 2.4 gigahertz. When it says confirm it is flashing, which it is, you can press next and you're good to go. Just make sure it's kind of close to the router, as well as all of them are just all close to the router. All right, one of them did get paired already, as you can see, and then you can rename it. I'm gonna go ahead and rename it to Floodlight. There we go. And then that's pretty much it. And then I recommend, since you have to set them up separately, put a little tag underneath it, coordinating which one's which. One on the left side, one on the right side for photography, or one on one side of the house or the other side of the house for lighting. Make sure you just point that out so it's more organized. I don't really like the pairing process, but once you have it paired, obviously, it'll be really good, smooth. Here you can go ahead, it's already preset to cool white. You can put it in the middle if you wanted to, like a neutral color. And once again, this is pretty bright to begin with. I'm gonna go ahead and dim it down to about 50%. Oh, it's still pretty bright. And then this is the lowest it can go, 1%. Now the light itself, yeah, it's really hot. Wow, woohoo, this is nice colors here. This is green, blue. Color accuracy is pretty good. It's kind of, on camera this looks purple, but it is like a light blue. It's pretty color accurate, not on camera though, but it is pretty color accurate. I think it's still at oh no, it's at 100% now, but yeah, this is super bright. This is only one of them too, so that's insane. And then obviously on here, you can go ahead and do scenes. You can do different scenes. You can schedule this. So if you're gonna do outside, then you can do that. You have timers. You can turn it on and off right here. Super quick. And then obviously you can go ahead and activate it with the Google Assistant or the Amazon Assistant. So we're gonna go do that right now. So we're gonna go ahead and show you how to set it up on your Amazon or Google Assistant. I'm gonna do Amazon Assistant first because Google Assistant's kind of basically the same thing. So you're gonna go ahead and go browse skills, and then you're gonna go ahead and press the search. You're gonna search smart home life or smart life. So search for smart life, launch this, then you're pretty much set. So that's pretty much it. That's all you have to do for that, and then it works with the assistant. You can change the colors, turn it on and off, set a timer for it. It is pretty good. It has a tempered glass on the front. Yeah, and then this is what it looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and change the color right now to show you. I'm gonna probably turn down the shutter speed, but that's basically what I was talking about. Little chips that I was talking about right there. That's basically the RGB chips. And then the ones on top and the bottom, those are the cool and warm lights. So it has actual dedicated lighting for those. So there's the cool light ones, and the ones on top of those ones that are lit are the warm lights. So I'm gonna go turn on the warm lights. See, now it's the warm lighting, the ones on top and the ones on bottom. If I put it in the middle, balanced technically, it should light up both of them evenly. Yep, it does light both of them evenly. It does get really hot. This antenna is pretty good though. It's a smart way to be able to connect it. So you can basically turn it on and off directly. If you want to pick one up for yourself, it is in the link in the description. Anyways, without further ado, thank you for watching.